single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. Thank you for stopping by. I know it's been like, a little minute since I posted a video. Well, if you don't know, there's a whole lot of stuff going on in the world. It's like protesters and people looting stores and stuff like that. And I had to take a break and whatnot for going on and everything like that. So yeah, so I really had to sit there and take a break from what's going on. Anyway, I know you read the title for what I'm gonna be doing, so let's get right into it. So I had got a Walmart beauty box. It's something like, Charm. I think it's called Charm Box, and I forgot the other ones, but it's like I don't want to say summer, but it's like a not monthly, seasonal. That's what it is. Seasonal. It's a seasonal box that you get, and the price of it, it's not even like a price of it. And I know you guys probably guessing like a price. There's no price. Like, what are you talking about? Well, what I'm talking about is you only pay like the shipping, and it's like a flat rate. It only costs like $5 for you just pay it. Basically, you getting like the box free, but you just paying like the shipping of it. Who doesn't like getting free stuff? But the Walmart beauty box is not really I want to say beauty box, but it kind of is, and it not really is, but it's like a bunch of different stuff that comes in it. It could be like food, it could be makeup, it could be something for your hair, it could be like anything. You do like a quiz on there, and they ask like what your hair type is. Do you want to get something for your mother? They ask like all these other different questions and whatnot to fit like you. But anyway, this is what it actually says right there, and this is right here what it looks like in the front. This is like my second box. I forgot to even film my first box, but like I said earlier, it's like a seasonal thing, like summer, spring, fall, and winter. I think this is from what I read, is like my spring one or something like that, or summer, but I don't know, I forgot. But I'm going to open up this box with you guys. I just took the plastic off, and the plastic is right here. So I haven't looked in it yet. So I'm gonna look in it with you guys. I haven't like I said, I haven't looked in it. So let's look in this box together, see what it looks like. So, ooh, it does come this little card right here. This is what it looks like. And this is the back of it right here. And it does say Spring Beauty Sensation. And this is all the information that's on it. Oh, look at this stuff that's on it. OMG. Wow. Okay, let's see what actually comes in it. Ooh. It got nails that comes in it. I love to actually get my nails done and stuff like that. So these are Salon Perfect Design Nail Set. It says new on it. It looks like it's marble. Okay, it comes with 24 nails, a file, and professional glue on it. So this is right here what it looks like, and this is the back of it, and it tells you exactly how I like to use it. So that's awesome. Ooh, and I got like a little toothbrush. It says the name of it is Hello, and it's soft. It's a charcoal infused Tamper Bristles natural friendly BPA free toothbrush. This is how it looks. This is like the back of it. Hashtag brush happy. Okay. I'll let y'all guys know when it's time for me to change my brush. I will let y'all guys know how that works. Ooh. And it comes with a toothpaste to go with the toothbrush by Hello. Oh, okay. This is what it looks like right here. I don't know if you guys actually see it, but it says whitening and anti-plaque. And the not flavor, but the scent of it, it's a, well, flavor scent, whichever you guys want to call it. It says natural peppermint, excuse me, with tea tree and coconut oil. Oh, okay. It says no fluoride, artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors, dyes, sulfate, probiotics, and some more stuff on it. Okay, I'm gonna have to try that out also. And I look like some kind of supplement thing that also came with it. This is how it looks. It said Calm. It's a magnesium supplement, raspberry, lemon flavor, and some other natural flavors that's in it. This should be good. This should be real good. Oh, and I got matching, let me see what it's called, cream. I don't know, it ain't just two of them. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, it says curl defining cream for naturally curly and coily. Okay. Yeah, if you haven't noticed, I am like natural, and I do like have like some kind of color in my hair, so this actually should like work. I'll let y'all guys know how this works. It's by Suave Professional. So again, this is how it looks right here. So that came with two of them, and I don't know how to pronounce this. I ain't about to try to pronounce it, but it looks like it's for your skin. This should be awesome. I'm about to do this in a video, showing y'all guys how this works. This real good. Look like it's real good. It says rose quartz and charcoal, great for oily skin, deep cleanse and radiant self-love, daily purifying cleanser. Oh, okay. Because I do get like oily skin sometimes, and sometimes I do get like dry skin, so it's like a combination. Let me see how this smells. This shit smells good. That thing smells good. It smells real good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a video on me actually doing this. This real good. Okay, it also comes with the little thing that tells about the calming thing. This is like the back of it right here. It says de-stress with a moment of calm. 5 ways to practice self-care right now. Take a 10-minute walk during your lunch break. Stretch by your desk after writing a long email. Text your best friend to catch up. Plan an easy but delicious dinner for tonight. Take a moment to enjoy nature. Yeah, they little stuff right here. So that's good that it came with this. That's real nice. Oh, you guys, if y'all hear like the air conditioner going on in the background, it just came on, kick in. So it's like really hot outside where I'm at. So, and the last thing, ooh, came with a little coupon for the little suave stuff that I showed you guys earlier. That's awesome. Oh. Ooh, it has a coupon on the back of it. And a little scanning thing. This is what it looks like right here. You get $2.50 off of it. That's awesome. Yeah, I might have to sit there and get that. And it has a little scanning code thing right here. That's nice. Well, you guys, that's all that came in my pack. Well, not my pack, my box that y'all guys just seen. It has the little pamphlets that comes in it. Got something for my hair that comes in it. Something, you know, supplement for like my insides for me to like drink. So that should be on awesome. I'll let y'all guys know how this is. I might have to do like a little short video on that. And I got something, you know, for my teeth. You know, got to keep my teeth good and clean. You know, and healthy with that. And, you know, got something for my skin to keep that, you know, dehydrated, keep that clean. Not only like, you know, just that, something for my nails. That's awesome. I've been wanting to sit there and do my nails, and you know, now I got like something to actually do my nails. Well, you guys, I'm gonna actually put the link in like the description box, you know, so y'all guys to actually go down and check it out. And like I said earlier, the box is basically like free. They said you get it for like every like, you know, season, like spring, fall, summer, winter. And on this one, they said it's supposed to be like my spring box. I don't know, the previous one, they claim it was like, I think fall or something like that, or something, or winter or something. I think winter, I don't know, I forgot. But anyway, it's, like I said, it's basically, they said it's free, and you only pay like a flat rate of $5, no tax added to it or nothing like that. It's just straight out $5. That's all you paying. $5, no tax, no nothing added to it. But anyway, you guys, I hope y'all find this video great. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you know, comment down below. You know, I love chatting with you guys in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that red button, whichever, you know, if it's down here or down here. Hit the red button. Be part of the family, the Peace and Love TV family. Yeah. But like I said, you guys, until next time, I will talk to y'all guys later.